Alright, hey guys, Void here from EasyRP, and I have another tutorial. This one's about Stacker. Go ahead and place your prop. And let's say you want to make, a top, like a ceiling piece, but you really don't know how to go about it. Right now I'm going to do use precision. You can look at my precision video on how to set up precision. But we're going to make some basic walls here. This is just to replicate, a base, but on a smaller scale. So you're going to want 4 things for the walls, 1, 1, 1, 1. And you don't need to have a 5th one for the roof. So, precision, you can go and make sure, set up your precision, how you need to in my other video that I made. But we're going to put the walls here quick. Just really, really basic, nothing too specific. And this is just one example where Stacker is going to come in handy. But right now, we're actually not going to place this wall. We're going to do that later because we're actually going to want to see where Stacker is going to be putting this at. So get out your Stacker tool. And just follow these things. You can hit reset advanced options and it resets all those things below down to 0. Make sure freeze is checked. Weld is not. No collide is checked because you want them constrained in some way because it'll make advanced duplicator extremely more easy to use. Anyway, make sure prop is selected there, and this is where you're going to select the stack direction. In our case, we're going to do up, and you can see it actually ghosts the prop, so you can see where it's going to put it. And you notice that there is a slight gap there. If you're wanting to create like next together walls, like if we wanted to go like this, we put it to the left, or actually probably it's right, isn't it? Yep, right. If you notice, we can place that down. However, there is a significant gap inside there. We don't like that. We don't want people to be peeping into our bases and stuff. So, on the X offset, you're going to double click in there and do minus 0.5. That is just enough for these props anyway to close that gap. And now you can't see through. Ta-da! Anyway, that's not what we're here to do. We're going to make a ceiling. So we're going to go up and back up a little bit. Hold C. And make sure your cursor, your crosshair there is actually on the prop you want to stack. Hold C so you can actually leave your reticle, is what it's called, the crosshair, there on that prop. And go over here. And if you notice, if you go to the left of the slider, you'll get a little left and right arrow. You can actually drag this for very specific measurements. And it's not going to be completely accurate. You can use precision, but this is a much faster way of doing it if you just need a quick roof. But let's just go there. You can let go of C, and there you go. Simple as that. Now, if you need more walls like this, remember the value, or the stack direction was right, and notice it's going to place it like that. Well, we don't want that. So we're going to set this back to 0, and make it 0.5 again. And we're just going to make a quick wall. You can set the stack count to whatever you want. And boom, it places a whole bunch of props. You can create a really, really quick wall, just like that. This has been a tutorial from Void from EasyRP.